Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the Quran and Sunnah Academy. Today we are going to learn the something amazing that is the third category of the letter. This is called the Shibh-e-Mustaliah. Shibh-e-Mustaliah, this is the third group. There are three letters. They pronounce sometime with the heavy sound and sometime pronounced with the low depressed sound. Okay, there are three letters. The first one is the Alif, the second one is the Lam, the third one is the Ra. Okay, today we discuss the first method in this lesson. First method, if there is elevated, thick, full, and heavy alphabet before Alif, then the Alif will be pronounced with the thick and heavy sound. Simply, if Mustalia letter comes before Alif, then the sound of Alif will be pronounced with the heavy sounds. I'm repeating again. If Mustalia letters comes before Alif, then the sound of Alif pronounced with the heavy sounds. For example, there is an example mentioned there. Qaf Alif Zabar Qa. So the Qa sound is the Mustalia letter and A sound is the Alif letter. When we combine the both letters, okay, so the sound of Alif will also pronounce with the heavy sound. So Qaf Alif Zabar Qa. This is the sound of Alif. Is going pronouncing with the heavy sound, and there is a fa sakin, so it will be pronounced Qaf. The second method is there. If the mustafila letter, not a mustafila letters comes before Alif, then the sound of Alif will pronounce with the low depressed sound, with the thin sound. For example, there is a Kaf is the mustafila letter. Okay, Kaf is the mustafila letter, and Alif after that coming. So now you can see we are pronouncing and spelling this word Kaf Alif Zabar Ka. So simply the sound is a kaf, is a simple, is a normal, is a thin sound, like as we are conversation with each other. So your sound coming from your mouth. So kaf, alif, zabar, ka. This is not the heavy sounds, is the full mouth sound. Qaf, alif, zabar, qa. It is a sound kaf, alif, zabar, ka, fa, sakin. So it's pronounced kaf. The first one was is a qaf, heavy sound. The second one is a kaf with the low sounds. Okay, do you understand this ones? Okay, Jazakallah khaira for joining today lesson at the Quran and Sunnah Academy. You have learned the second method of Alif alphabet voice qaf. Okay, means that the a third category should be mustalia letters. So please like this video, subscribe to the Quran and Sunnah Academy, and share with your family and friends, everyone. Share help someone to learn the Quran correctly. May Allah bless you. Thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.